Okay, we're back for our last manong minutes lagi last 11 minutes of our show. And ginana kami to, and then sa kami to maray DJ Santiago City. Narod ko na dito text line tayo. Greet ko man, dagiti duang anak ko ni Cristaniel ko na nagayam. Apo, at itong tinagan na Catriona Lapawen nga matamang maturog. Apay maturog pay apo ti pakablawam di pagkahanan ng ngagan. Kansyak nga nakaitahan na makaturog kapot pudot. Doon nga guwapo ko na. Ay di ka nga agtutuok kapsa at adamot ti air condition dita. So lukatamon. Adda ni ading elag bibuya. Still here kung kunana. Okay, still with you kung naman ikap sa charity. And ulit ang mga kansunan da jay
Around the world.
One, kung sunata launay da jay kuhan isong idinangagag apo dagito iti sunata nga dapat nga kansunan ta when it comes to formal occasions handlang nga dagito Ilocano classic ilaok tapay dagito sunata nga talaga mo nga inararakop mo dagito Ilocanos di ka di dati na baba na ito yung ko magawat ka so padasa ulit manan para ka itay agor ka ulit idedikar ko dati kinini ng Tessie Gulyaba nini ng Emergent Padua yan ni manang Aida Pasco Clinton ni Ading Ella ni
Nini ng Charity Lianes
wan kan kadagiti Adda agpapangato kasi aja ito dati ka panawonan da Around the world I've searched for you. I traveled on when hope was gone to keep a rendezvous. I knew somewhere, sometime, somehow you look at me and I would see the smile you're smiling now. It might have been encountered out or in New York, in Gay Paris, or even London town. No more will I go all around the world, for I had found my world in you. It might have been encountered down, or in New York, in Gay Paris, or even London town. No more will I go all around the world, for I had found my world in you. Di ka din nagsayaat. At dapat may isa, kaya't ka mga hamunan nga second voice am daytoy.
Narigat sa data?
Arrange ko mo lang dahil ito yung sunsunata. And I hope nga mailansata.
Nakaw! Latan! Yung nagrigat.
And of course, once again, para kita 50 pa nga ito dagitoy. Slaking na ading Ella Banadero. Ngayon gano'n tatagat single pa lang. Slaking kamot. 50 pa nga ito. Just kidding. Uping pa yung ading Ella. 24 na pa lang. Hindi ka di. Nga rod. sincerely. Oh yes, sincerely. 'Cause I love you so dearly. Please say you'll be mine. Sincerely. Oh, you know how I love you. I'll do anything for you. Please say you'll be mine. Oh Lord, won't you tell me why I love that fella so? She doesn't want me, she got, but I never, 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 never let her go. Sincerely. Oh yes, sincerely. 'Cause I love you so dearly. Please say you'll be mine. Thank you, Nina. Mergin, thank you. Oh Lord, would you tell me why I love that fellow so? But she doesn't want me. But I never, 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 never let her go. Sincerely. Oh, you know how I love you. I'll do anything for you. Please say you'll be mine. Please say you'll be mine. Please say you'll be mine.
Mabati po yung mga taga-Kamaraw. Salamat po. Only you can make all this world seem right. Only you can make the darkness bright. Only you and you alone can thrill me like you do, and fill my heart with love for only you.
Our last piece.
Oh, only you can make all this change in me. For it's true, you are my destiny. When you hold my hand, I understand the magic that you do. You're my dream come true, my one and only you. Oh, oh, only you can make all this change in me. For it's true, you are my destiny. When you hold my hand, I understand the magic that you do. You're my dream come true, my one and only.